Got another video, guys. Next project, take the stock 1600 out of the little bug, make room for the 1915 that I've just built. Got a little progress update. Took my fenders off, my rear apron. Makes it a little bit easier to get the motor out. But I'm just gonna tell you guys, I took that rear apron, went through the trouble of getting it off, and I done this a while back before I put this motor in it the last time. And I don't know if it's an upgrade or not for the time and the trouble that you'll spend drilling spot welds out and getting it off. So, just in my opinion, unless you need to do some work on your apron, I don't know that I would make this modification. Alright. Well, there it is. Old motor out. Ready for a new heartbeat. Not bad for 30 minutes, taking your time. Man, guys, done a little quick spray paint action yesterday on the tin work. I have to say I'm pretty impressed. Rust-Oleum gray, same color I painted my rail buggy, but out of a spray can, and it turned out pretty darn glossy. That's not just the camera making it look glossy. It is. I'm not believing it. I believe it'll turn out pretty good. All right. Here we are, back at it again on the little 1915 build. Taking it and having to swap some parts over from the motor that was in the bug. Stealing from one to finish the other one. Put a new oil cooler on it. Let's get a few more parts on this thing. Well, after the better part of the day swapping parts from one motor to the other, I've just about got it ready to go in the car again. Takes a long time to get this tin work fitted up. Let's get this thing in. Well, that's pretty much, guys, what it's going to look like. About got everything mocked up. Want to make sure the carburetor is gonna fit on in my tin work. They'll have to come back off before I put it in the car. But everything went together pretty good. I'm ready to get it in and get this project over with. Well, hopefully, if all things go good, we're actually getting somewhere now. Got the motor back in it. Gotta get the carbs on it. Fuel lines run. Plug wires. A few other things, and she'll be ready to try and crank her up. Let's hope that goes good.